But you need to do what you thankful for the life.
Cheers, cheers.
You know what I'm saying? Stop looking at what you ain't got. Start being thankful for what you do got. Let's get to it. Hey, can you see? That's right. Never mind what haters say, ignore them till they fade away. Amazing they ungrateful after all the game I gave away. Safe to say I paved the way for you cats to get paid today. You still be wasting days away now had I never saved the day. Consider them my protege. How much I think they should pay? Instead of being gracious, they violated a major way. I never been a hater, still I love them in a crazy way. Some say they sold the yeah, you know they couldn't get work on Labor Day. It ain't that black and white, it has an area that's shady gray. I'm west side anyway, even if I left today and stayed away. Some move away to make a way, not move away cause they afraid. I come back to the root, and all you ever did was take away. I pray for patience, but they make me wanna melt they face away. Like I once made them spray, now I can make them put the case away. Been thugging all my life, they say I don't deserve to take a break. You'd rather see me catch a case and watch my future fade away.
You said it just in that bed,